Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you view the battery percentage of your iPhone. So there are two methods to view the battery percentage of your iPhone. So let's start with the first one, using the control center. If you want to view the percentage of your battery, then you have to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. And in the control center you should see the battery icon at the top right corner. The battery percentage is displayed on the left side of the battery icon. And there is also a second method, using the settings app. Open the settings, now scroll down and find the battery. Here is the battery option, click on it. Here on the battery settings page you will see the first option, battery percentage. Now toggle the switch to the right to turn on the battery percentage display. Now the battery percentage will be visible on the battery icon, and this is how you can enable the battery percentage on your iPhone.